Hey everyone, did you know that damaged X-ray plates can make it harder for dentists to diagnose dental problems? Today, I'll explain you how researchers are using AI to solve this issue. Dental X-rays are essential for diagnosing tooth and gum diseases. However, the photostimulable phosphor plates, or PSP plates, used in digital X-ray imaging can get damaged over time. This damage can lead to artifacts in the X-ray images, making it harder for dentists to accurately diagnose patients. Currently, there are no clear guidelines for when to replace these plates, and dentists rely on subjective opinions. This research aims to solve this problem by using deep learning to automatically assess the quality of PSP plates and determine if they should be discarded. To train their deep learning models, the researchers created a dataset of 2,500 images. They combined 100 complementary metal oxide semiconductor CMOS dental images with 25 PSP plate masks to simulate damaged plates. This allowed them to create a large dataset without exposing patients to additional radiation. They then used state-of-the-art deep learning models such as Inception v3 and ResNet 50 to classify the plates as either disposable or non-disposable. The models were trained using a technique called five-fold cross-validation to ensure reliable results. The researchers evaluated their models using metrics like accuracy, sensitivity, and specificity. Inception v3 achieved the best performance, with an accuracy of nearly 89%. Pretty impressive, right? They also used heat maps to visualize which parts of the images influenced the model's decisions. For example, when the model classified a plate as disposable, the heat maps showed that it focused on the damaged areas of the plate. This demonstrates that the models are not only accurate but also interpretable. In conclusion, this research shows that deep learning can effectively assess the quality of PSP plates, helping dentists make better decisions about when to replace them. This reduces the variability in diagnosis and minimizes unnecessary radiation exposure for patients. For the further information, please check the description. Thank you.